Good day guys, in this video I'll be showing on how you can open the VS Code file in your browser. So first, let's open VS Code. Right here. So I already have an HTML file. When I right click here, I can see anything that can make this file open in the browser. So what I'll do is I'll click these extension files and then type open. After typing open, you can see here open in browser, and then just click the install button. After that, when we go back here, we can now see the open in default browser. Now, you have it. Thank you.